Many people love challenging the cube. However, 99% of them become impatient long before completing it. Even the rare 1% of finishers prepare to suffer arduously when taking on the challenge. Every time, they need to get a timer and a laptop. The worst is to get a scrambler or someone who can scramble it for you. Unlike Earthians, 99% of Martians are said to enjoy the cube. Don't you feel that they have a secret? Voila! eX-Mars Cube. eX-Mars has 6 faces, each of which has 9 colored panels and rotates independently. To solve the puzzle, you must turn each face to have only one color. Sounds familiar to Cube, though I am sure there must be something else. First, eX-Mars has a learning mode for newbies. By rotating autonomously, it demonstrates how to solve the cube, and then helps you to correct your wrong moves with step-by-step guides. For speed cubers, no more nagging friends into scrambling for you. eX-Mars Cube has an auto-scrambling function. You don't need to record your solving speed on your own either. An automatic time recording function will do. What is more, it has a playback function that allows you to review what you have solved. There are more interesting functions. You can use it as a desk ornament and alarm. In self-solving mode, eX-Mars solves the puzzle while rolling around. Also, you can use it as an intelligent dice. By shaking the mobile phone, you can scramble the cube and voiceover to solve. Users can program the cube with Scratch software. You can use 2 cubes for playing clone mode. eX-Mars Cube is a smart cube developed with state-of-the-art technologies. To have this Earth version, various scientific researches and technical validations have been poured into it. Many beta testers participated to improve the quality and performance of the cube. From beginners to speed cubers, eX-Mars Cube will satisfy each and every one of you. eX-Mars Cube. Not a challenge, but a smart way to have fun.